Hello, my darlings. Welcome to my channel. So, let's have a quick monthly reading for my Aries. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vivra to Live family. Okay. Apologies for that outside noise interference, but without further ado, let's begin with your reading. Angels and spirit guides, the month of April for my sweetie pies. Let's see what can we have for you. Tellings, if you want, would I would highly appreciate if you could follow my Instagram and Facebook pages under the name Vivra to Live, and also if you wish to get any personalized reading, please feel free to DM me and we can take things further ahead. Okay, so for my cast babies, the reading is already out, the playlist is already out. So yeah, let's see what's coming up for my zodiac babies. Is there anything else? No. So the theme, it says slowing down. So take baby steps, darlings. Lady luck is shining on you. Again, it's your birthday month, so a very happy birthday for you. And it's going to be a beautiful day. Okay, you have a lot of good things embracing you. Lady luck, as I said, is shining on you. And again, feng shui. So if you want, you can have a crystal tortoise, place it in the northeast direction. That will also bring in money flow, luxury, wealth coming your way. Okay, but whatever decisions you have to take, pause and then go for it. Don't rush into decision making, is what universe is trying to guide you. Now, this is the theme for you. Okay, the theme for this month. Now, let's see what are the other energies trying to say. We have politics, silence, completion, intensity, stress, and receptivity. Okay, so what is this month trying to tell you? Darlings, you should be only trusting yourself. Okay, no matter what it is, you should not give your power, your authority to anybody, because that is what the politics is trying to say. Somebody is not showing their true colors. There could also be a possibility where you are trying to be a people's pleaser. I would say it could be unknowingly, but try avoiding that, is also what it's trying to say. You need to stay calm from within. Maybe there's a lot of chaos within you, maybe because of this. Okay, you are rushing into decision making, people are getting threatened. Whatever you want, you can. Learn to say a no whenever and wherever it is required, darling. You cannot be overstressed. I'm not saying do not listen to the other side of the coin, but you need to put your foot down whenever you think you cannot handle it. Be in a receptive mode, okay? Handle things with loving kindness energies in this month, is what it's trying to say. Increase water intake. There could be good news coming up. So I think there's a lot of emotional chaos that you could experience in this month. Again, completion is trying to say that a new chapter is beginning for you. So give a pat on your back as to how far you reach. But again, if you can see, the jigsaw puzzle is trying to tell you that you do not gain clarity, and that is where you need to listen to your higher self, because that's where the decision making power seems to be blocking up. Okay, now let's ask angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides, guidance for my sweetie pies, please. We have opportunity to forgive. So remember the law of karma. What you give is what you receive. So learn to replace anger with love. Sometimes you have anger issues, maybe with yourself as well. We are humans. So learn to forgive yourself, learn to forgive others. Also, bless them. No matter what the situation is, it is a learning lesson. Again, it's your birthday month, a new phase in your life is starting. So why not start afresh? This is what even your angels are trying to tell you. Now let's ask your love life. Okay, let's see. Angels and spirit guides, what is the message for your love life? we have butterfly, which says relationship is healing. You need to heal your inner child. Maybe that seems to be bothering. And we have not enough. So maybe in relationships, you might feel frustrated. Maybe it is not the right time to take action. Maybe there could be ego issues. Maybe there could be jealousy coming up. Okay, so go slow. Okay, take a break. As in, I won't say like a separation, but try to understand as a third person. Okay, now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides. Bad health. Okay, so bad health is nothing like to be scared about, but it is also trying to say don't ignore yourself. If you've been through a bad health issues, you are gonna come out of it. Okay, so but again, because there are climatic changes also coming up, because emotionally also you might feel drained out, please take care of yourself. So how do I sum up this month? A new chapter begins for you. Why? Not just because it's your birthday month, but even the completion is trying to say that whatever you had been manifesting or whatever you've been asking for, universe is unfolding it at its given pace. But it is also trying to tell you that are you ready to accept it? Because there's a lot of chaos that you are struggling to find answers. There is a problem that lies within you which needs to be repaired and healed. You should not take stress. Please let go of it. Stop running into anything. Take baby steps. Please avoid manipulation. You should not be trusting anybody in this month. Your angels are asking you to forgive yourself and the people around you. At the matters of heart, maybe you need to take time. Okay, so don't rush in, getting things done at the earliest. Sometimes it's best suited. Maybe it is a part of you that is still unhealed. Maybe your partner could be mirroring. And the universe is trying to remind you, please take care of your health and your loved one. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.